Hi, first graders. Today we are learning about the ladybug life cycle. If you will go get out your ladybug life cycle booklet, that would be awesome. I'll give you just a second to go find it. All right, I'm going to read this thing that is called All About the Ladybug Life Cycle. Have you seen a ladybug before? They are small, almost round insects that live on plants. They come in several different colors: red, orange, pink, yellow, and black. Adult ladybugs have spots, but young ladybugs don't. They can have different size spots, and their number of spots vary. Ladybugs are sometimes called ladybirds or lady beetles. Their scientific name is this big giant word right here, which is hard to say, so we will just call them ladybugs. Ladybugs like to eat other bugs. A lot of farmers and gardeners like ladybugs because by eating other destructive bugs, they help keep the flowers and crops from being damaged. There are animals that the ladybug would like to avoid. Birds are one of the ladybug's main predators. And predator means that they try to eat the ladybugs. Ladybugs start out as a little oval-shaped yellow egg. The adult female ladybug lays her eggs on the underside of leaves. A female ladybug can lay up to 20,000 eggs, but not all at once. The eggs take about a week to hatch. The new little bugs that hatch out are called larvae. They look like a bug, but not much like a ladybug yet. They have to go through the life cycle phases. Larvae are very hungry, and they eat all the time. That is very similar to the butterfly life cycle. The caterpillars are very hungry. Each time they grow, they molt or shed their skin. Ladybugs are larvae for about a month, and then they start a big change. First, the larvae attach themselves to a leaf or a stem. They curl up and become completely still. A skin forms around them, and the larva begins to change inside the skin wrapping. This stage is called the pupa stage. The pupa stage lasts for about 1 week. It is in this stage when the larva turns into a ladybug. When the transformation is complete, the new baby ladybug comes out of the pupa skin. When it emerges, the first thing it wants to do is eat. It got very hungry while in the pupa stage because ladybugs don't eat or move while they are pupas. Baby ladybugs are small and soft. They typically don't have spots. As they grow into adults, they start to darken in color and their spots show up. Did you know that the wings are not the colored area of the ladybug? The colored area is actually hard and is there to protect the wings, which are underneath. All insects have an outer shell that is hard and it is called the exoskeleton. Unlike people and animals which have their bones on the inside, ladybugs have their bones on the outside. It only takes a few days for a baby ladybug to grow into an adult. Once its exoskeleton becomes hard, the ladybug has the ability to fly. The adult ladybug lives for 2 to 3 years. Okay, so this is the first page that is in your ladybug packet. I am going to read and we are going to figure out which words go in the blanks. So here's your word bank right here. And we need to figure out which word goes in there. So the first word is pupa. Then we have black, flowers, insect, ladybug, larva, red, and eggs. Okay, many times you can find a ladybug on plants or blank. Plants or what? The correct answer is flowers. So on this blank, you're going to want to write flowers and then go ahead and cross off flowers in your word bank because you'll only use it one time. Often, ladybugs are blank with blank spots. So oftentimes they are red with black spots. I know that is the most common common ladybug that I've seen. They are helpful to farmers and gardeners. A ladybug is an blank. Insect is the correct word. So write insect in the blank, cross it off in your word bank. Ladybugs hatch from blank. What do they hatch from? Correct answer is eggs. They hatch from eggs. That's the first step in the ladybug life cycle. When they come out of the egg, they are called blank. They are called larvae. During the next stage, they curl up and attach to a leaf to become a blank. What is it called when they curl up and attach to a leaf? It is called a pupa. After about a week, the baby ladybug, our fourth stage in our life cycle, emerges. After the protective cover of the wings hardens, the ladybug gains the ability to fly. The ladybug is now an adult. Go ahead and make sure you have all those words filled in there. And then go ahead and flip your page. This is the next page you should see. If you have scissors and a glue stick, go ahead and get that out now. Okay, so if you have your scissors and a glue stick, I want you to cut out 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut out all 4 pictures. Go ahead and pause this video, and then when you have them cut out, then hit play again. If you do not have scissors and a glue stick, I don't either, so follow along with me. So we are putting these in order of the life cycle stages. So we need to know what the first stage in the life cycle is. What is the first thing that ladybugs are? The correct answer is eggs. So this picture right here is eggs. So you're going to want to draw a line from the egg to number 1. Okay, what comes after the eggs? What comes after the eggs? It goes in box number 2. Correct answer is the larva. Okay, number 3. What goes in box number 3? So it's eggs, then larva, then what? The correct answer is pupa. So this picture right here is a pupa. It's like a hard shell. And then the last one is number 4. And our last stage in our life cycle is the butterfly. Go ahead and draw your lines, or you can cut them out and glue them in there. Then go ahead and flip to your next page. This says, color the ladybugs. Now remember, back in our story, it says that ladybugs can be red, orange, pink, yellow, and black. So you have lots of different options for coloring your ladybugs. That's all for today. Come back tomorrow for the frog life cycle.